Welcome back to the channel, and now let's proceed to the derivative of hyperbolic function. And we will answer the sample problem here. We have x is equal to hyperbolic tangent x times hyperbolic cosine. Now, the first derivative of this hyperbolic function we can of x. We will apply Carnot here times x times the derivative of the derivative of center sine minus x times 1 plus tayo kita term cos x minus the derivative of first term, the tangent x, that is second square, and where is second square x times 1 times 1. Now let's look at this downward d prime x is equal to tangent times x cos x. And now we know that tangent is hyperbolic tangent is hyperbolic sine over hyperbolic cosine, so we can write it there. And here we are there is a global, so just nagkikaroon na lang isang hyperbolic secant plus hyperbolic secant. So this is the answer and this problem. Thank you.